Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm recording this simply because the company who I bought this from, okay, that's just the light. So the company I bought this from, looked, I didn't realize at the time, but it looks shady as hell now. There's so many spelling errors on their website, right? And there is just overall, their links don't work when they send you a confirmation email. And I had to reach out to them twice just to get any update. They said it was going to take like 30 days to receive this item, 7 days just for the getting the order, and then 10 to 20 for the shipping. It had been way too long. And so I finally put in a dispute with my credit card company because I was realizing that with all the website shadiness that's on their website, the website is called Enstyleens, so it's like Style ENS. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, but then I like Googled them and everything, and like their website's only been up for like a month. Okay, so anyways, after I finally contacted them, all of a sudden magically they're like, "Oh no, we shipped it." Okay, so they shipped it, and then it gets here like in 2 days after it had already been way too long. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna open this. I have not opened it. The reason why I'm recording this, so that way for any disputes or any issues, I'm gonna be posting this shit because I'm gonna tell you right now when they just dropped at my door. This box, this is crunched. It feels like somebody has stepped on it. Okay, so I have not opened this. It is still sealed, but I'm just saying, like, look, it just looks like it's already even. See, it's like already. I don't know. I'm gonna open it right now. I hope it's not counterfeit, and I hope it's not like trash, okay? Because I'm gonna be real pissed. If it's actually what I ordered, great. I'll call USAA, tell them to stop the dispute. They can have my money. But just by looking at this, like, I mean, the box feels like crunched, like somebody just sat on it. It's anyways. And I'm doing this so that way in case the company tries to say, oh, this isn't how we sent it. Bull. This is how you sent it, okay? So I'm about to show you how you sent it. I'm real nervous right now because this is going to be, these were like $170 pair of Nike shoes. These are supposed to be for my mom, okay? Because I buy her Nike shoes, you know, once or twice a year, or, you know, like once a year. I'll buy her some Nike shoes. Trying to be a good kid, you know? Oh my god, this box. This box. See, this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying right here. Look at this. What the hell is this? Okay, maybe the box inside is a little nicer. Oh, I'll give them that now. Okay, see, this is a little bit nicer. Good. It actually says Vapor Max on it. Okay, well, I feel a little bit better because now it's the right shoes. Okay. Well, now I'm happy. So these are the Vapor Maxes. And I'll say this company is legit, and I take it back. I'm going to call USA right now. I feel bad because I was talking so much crap about them, but they're for real. I got the shoes. What's up? My mom's going to be happy with these. All right, thank you. That's all I got for this video.